Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Wolf Heritage coin tray. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Wolf Heritage coin tray, and just taking a look at the details of the box packaging. And at the back or on the side of the box you can see the Wolf branding and the product label. So this Wolf Heritage coin tray is available in two colours, black as well as navy. This one is the navy one. Let's go ahead and open up the box by of course pulling out the tab for the box flap and lifting up and out the box flap, and let's slide the contents out of it. And just making sure nothing else is left in the box packaging. You can close it back up. Which I'm struggling slightly to do, but nonetheless we can set it to the side, so setting it on the right hand side of the table and giving you a look at the contents which we've just removed from the box packaging. So just laying them across the tabletop right here, and of course flipping it over so that you have a fuller view of the items once again from the box packaging. Okay. And let's start off by taking a look at this wallet here, made out of card, and let's slide up the contents out from it. And just going to set that card wallet to the side, or pocket to the side, as we take a look at the items which we've just removed from it. So taking a look at the front and the back of both items. So taking a look at the first item here, so there is what appears to be some history and information about the Wolf brand. And just going to set that down and to the side, so setting it on the left hand side of the table as we move right along to the booklet. So it is a warranty booklet indicating that it comes with a 2-year limited warranty for this Wolf Heritage coin tray. And just opening up the warranty booklet, some information there. And of course on the outer sides of the booklet. I'm just going to set that down and to the side as well, so just setting that on the left hand side of the tabletop. And of course moving on to the main item itself, which is the Wolf Heritage coin tray. And as you can see, it is flat at the moment and wrapped in Wolf branded wrapping paper. Let's go ahead and open it up to reveal the Wolf Heritage coin tray in navy. As I mentioned, it's also available in black. So it comes with what appears to be a packet of desiccant, so keep that away from babies, children and animals. So just going to set that to the side and giving you a look at the coin tray. So I'm just going to move the wrapping paper or packing paper to the side and giving you a look at the details of this Wolf Heritage coin tray. So taking a look up close, you can see that it does have snap fasteners in the corners. So giving you a look at the details right there, and of course all four corners with the snap fasteners, and of course the lining here is ultra suede, as you can see, really fine, and of course very soft to the touch. And just giving you a closer look at the details, and you can see the stitching and edge details as well. And of course, flipping over to the underside, you can see the Heritage by Wolf branding in a silver finish. And taking a further out look right there, and of course the label sticker. And of course the overall details, so you can see the very fine grain of this faux leather coin tray, and the stitching details as well, so right throughout. And of course the thinness or the thickness of the coin tray. So the coin tray measures approximately 25 centimeters by 20 centimeters, about 4.5 centimeters tall when folded or assembled. Alright, and to give you some sense of the size right now, in its kind of flat packed unassembled form, just resting or placing my hand on it. And now let's go ahead and assemble it. So you can just fold the corners just to get it in shape, and let's fasten the studs together. So giving you a look at the snap fastening once we can achieve focus on it. So right there, nice crisp snap. And let's do it for the other three corners. Of course that's just popping out at the moment, but once we have all the sides fully folded up, it should hold in place nicely. So let's fold the sides or walls of the coin tray in, and right there we have constructed or assembled the coin tray. And let's get this back in position, and just making sure that we've snapped the four corners nicely together. So right there, the assembled Wolf Heritage coin tray in navy, and of course the underside, taking a look up close at the details of this coin tray. And once again, now you can see the height of the coin tray more clearly, being about 4.5 centimeters tall. And now taking a look at all four sides, so you can see rectangular in shape. And once again with that very fine ultra suede lining. And to give you some idea of the sturdiness, right there, just squeezing on the sides gently. And of course the corner details with the snap fasteners. So that pinch detail in the four corners. And now let's go ahead and place an item or two in it to give you some sense of its ability. Of of course we have the coin here. So we have a British 50p coin. And let's drop it in right there. Alright. And let's place another item in there. So over here we have a Gégé Le Coup reversal wall calendar. And see if we can get focus on the wristwatch. And let's place it in the tray. So there we go. 2 items in the tray, the coin and the watch. So that's the Wolf Heritage coin tray. Thanks for watching and happy tidying!